Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing International Nurses Day in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Deputy Chief Minister appeals for joint effort from all to solve the issues of the state and not to wait for outside intervention. Karam Sham says MLAs and ministers must lead the society as sincerely as drivers behind the wheels. And the Centre appoints Justice Ramlingam Sudhakar from High Court of Jammu and Kashmir as Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing International Nurses Day in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, popularly known as the Lady with Lamp today. Manipur Nursing Council and All Manipur Nursing School Association also launched a two-day state-level training program on maternal and newborn care as part of the observance at the conference hall of College of Nursing, Lamphel today. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Health and Family Welfare, K. Rajo, stressed the importance to keep the pregnant women and newborns healthy. He maintains that the government at the center and state have both undertaken various initiatives for the welfare of pregnant mothers. Emphasizing the role of nurses in the health sector, the director asserted that doctors alone cannot bring development in the health sector without the nurses. Rajo also stated the nurses are given 6-month training courses under Ayushman Bharat, facilitating them to even run primary health care without doctors. Taking part in the event, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Wangkhemcha Ramjai, expressed hope that the government will implement various policies that will provide more opportunities to the nurses in the state.
Nursing asi doctor da assist the men hire adu positive makoising se advance or koi matulina ekoisi na boisi moisu treatment to bi sa sama ekoi peer sum pikale khudam moi hire the Prime Minister Narendra Modi na koi Ayushman Bharat aina hada ama hotoi Ayushman Bharat ki makhada masi operationalize karwa da ngasai nursing singe kamai to ke da moisi 6 months training period. Masih 6 months ki course ki lemat tungga moisi koi na community health officer le naming thole mongoi sidida ya koi na doctor amana tawgana ba coaching je moi na toine training.
International Nurses Day was also observed at Julaland Children Home in Imphal West, where a free health camp was also held to mark the observance. Free medicines were distributed on the occasion. Speaking to media person, sponsor of the free health camp, staff nurse of RIMS, Rubina Shahani, stated that the event was held in collaboration with some doctors to honor and pay homage to Florence Nightingale for her contributions in the uplifting of the downtrodden section of the society. Rubina asserted that children at the homes have equal rights like anyone and maintains that ensuring the health and well-being of these children is the responsibility of the society.
Founder of Modern Nursing gi oibiribi akhoi ikai khumnaba matik charabi Florence Nightingale mahakpo ikai khumnaba uchaba oina pangthokjabani children home asida health haibasi mioi bagi fundamental right oi hengadabani ai haibasi aina haijaningi children have the human right to haibasi zo aina haijaningi pikliba angangni makhoibu masamau phanna leihanba haibasi akhoi gi tungi ya samasta aphaba samas ama oi henbada akhoi gi adukki chawraba thodang adu lobi gadarbani masigi pandam masiga loinana ngai ki team ngasigi free medical health care mase ngasigi nungairaba International Nurses Day numit aside hakna sinjabani.
The two-day annual State Tribal Cultural Festival concluded today. Speaking in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar urged the people of the state to leave behind expectations for outside intervention in solving the state's issues, but to fight unitedly against any issues of the state. Speaking further in the closing event of the festival, organized by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India at TRI Complex in Chingmerong, Yumnam Joy Kumar asserted that the joint cultural festival held for all tribals living in the state proved the existence of unity among various tribal communities. The Deputy Chief Minister further called for joint efforts in bringing overall development of the state by leaving behind any past differences. He also said the varied traditional dances and folk songs of various tribal communities of the state, which exhibit a lifestyle of environmental conservation, show that people in the state are very close to nature. Yumnam Joy Kumar further hoped that the Tribal Cultural Festival held every year would bring more love and unity among the tribal communities. Various traditional tribal songs and dance performances enthralled the audience gathered in the closing event of the festival today. MLA Latio, officials of Tribal Affairs and Hills, and many people from various tribal communities of the state attended the event.
When we are talking of bringing the hills and the plains together, and through such celebrations, I think we are bringing and emphasizing the importance of being united, being together. All of us belonging to Manipur, all of us belonging to the Northeast. What do we have in our nature? We are very proud of ourselves, very proud of our culture, very proud of the natural bountiness that we possess. What is more important, what I would like to emphasize is that through this commonness of the culture, let's try to unite each other.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has asserted that drivers play a significant role in bringing tourists and in enhancing tourism sector in the state. The minister made a statement at a convention for Northeast drivers today. Speaking further at the convention organized by All Manipur Government Drivers and Technician Association at a State Academy Training Hall in Takhelpat, Karam Sham called on the drivers to guide tourists in the state properly and expose them to the beauty of the state so that they would look forward to visiting the state again. The minister also drew the attention of both the government and private drivers not to look down upon themselves but to work diligently. On the other hand, Karam Sham lamented that drivers are being kidnapped and even killed for ransoms. He called on the need to set up a joint body for drivers to combat such incidents. Equating the roles of played by ministers and MLAs to that of the drivers, Karam Sham asserted that people in governance should also be sincere in discharging their duties. He reiterated that a state would develop only when every stakeholders take on their responsibilities honestly and sincerely with sacrificial spirit.
Driver union, government driver union khaki wakalon na natam. Driver jingi oiba achauba movement ama. Adi sagat pakanda. Government की driver, private driver, और नत्रगना सरकार की यदि चेंज चाक पूरी बा driver खुदी मक्से अमक खक्ता वो इन्हें पुंजन लगा यदि थबक तो मिन्नर गदी मणिपुर की technically बा problem में हमसे थेंगना बता क्वाइटली दाइट लाइबा पोषक अमक खक्ती उइगने न खन ले.
Two judges from the Jammu and Kashmir High Court have been appointed as Chief Justices of the Manipur and the Meghalaya High Courts. Separate Law Ministry notifications said Justice Ramlingam Sudhakar, who originally belongs to the Madras High Court and currently functioning as Acting Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, is appointed as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court. He was born on February 14, 1959 and hails from Panapakam village in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu, while Justice Muhammad Yaqub Mir, also of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, is appointed as Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court. Chief Minister Secretariat in a press release notified that this month's People's Day will be held on May 23 instead of May 15 as Go to Village Mission Camp falls on the same day. All Manipur Student Union (MSU) joined Northeast Students Organization (NISO) in protest against the I beg your pardon, against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The protest was held at Dighali Pukri, Guwahati, attended by members of various student organizations in the northeastern states, including All Assam Students Union. It may be mentioned that the agitation commenced after NISO's objective contradicted with that of the Joint Parliamentary Committee JPC on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Imphal West District Committee today inspected Iboton Sana Girls Higher Secondary School Uripok as part of its relentless campaign for total education. The union found the school's library in a deplorable condition during the visit. AMSU drew the attention of Education Minister and the authorities concerned to restore the school's library and upgrade the school infrastructure at the earliest. A combined team of Moray Commando and Moray Police Station led by DSP Moray, Thomas Tokchom and OC Moray, Y. Shakti Shen under the supervision of SP Technopol, Dr. S. Bomcha, arrested one drug peddler around 4 p.m. yesterday. The arrested person is identified as Manglam Ching Zhou, alias Mang Ching, 55 years, wife of late Thang Lian Kup from Moray Ward number 3 from HTC Unit 3, Paicham Veng. 210 WY tablets, 50 grams of brown sugar, 84 Fluza tablets, 1,050 suspected pseudoephedrine tablets, 14,200 rupees cash, 600 pieces of straws and 30 pieces of fire lighter were seized from the person. A combined team of Narcotic Cell Imphal East along with CVs of Narcotic Cell and NAB Manipur led by SDPO Porampat, MPS L Shankarjit and OC Narcotic Cell Imphal East, KH Dev Kumar under the supervision of additional SP Imphal West, MPS Umpam Kasar, arrested a person with 1.5 kg of opium last night. The team arrested the person from Lamlong Bazaar near temporary market shed while conducting patrolling duty around 9. The person is identified as James Kashung, 58 years, son of late Ringai Kashung from Tangkul Hundung village in Kamjong district. The arrested person along with the seized article were handed over to Porampat police station to take up necessary legal actions. Volunteers of Makami Zamiat ul Ulma caught 7 drug peddlers and abusers, including one woman at Hata Minutong in Imphal East early this morning. 40 pieces of heroin number 4 and 2 other packets heroin number 4 weighing around 3 grams were also seized from them. The drug peddlers and abusers were first brought in Makami Zamiat ul Ulma office in Hata Golapati and later handed over to the police. Addressing media persons, spokesperson of Mukami Zamiat ul Ulma Hazi Arafat stated that volunteers of the association carried out drive early this morning around Hata Golapati as part of its movement against drugs and intoxicants in the area and apprehended the drug peddlers and abusers. He further sought for people's support to the movement.
Asigumba body sina tangai fadana Golapati Hata Minutong area da akanba drive ama tawdaba yadabagi tawriba khongthang asida nisa chaba mioi taret yauna fare haiba mioi singsi chaba yonba peddler user trafficking tawbada chenaba ngaktani makhatana hauji Jamiatul Ulma gi body singsina sangsal leiba khongthang sida Hata Golapati da leiba praja sing drug chaba yonbo ero season abobo ero masi makhatana action tawgigani club organization sing lekai gi mioi punmana cooperation piraga angam bathakta lekai sibu sengdokpada afaba pautak piriba asiguma Makami Jamiatul Ulma gi body sida myam punna saugatminraga akoi punna tungdu tangdu leitaba samajam sembada honamenisi.
4 trucks loaded with illegal timber coming from Jaupi towards Imphal were seized by personnel of 38 Sector Assam Rifles, 39th Assam Rifles Headquarters IGAR South yesterday. District Forest Officer DFO Chandel was intimated about the same and 3 out of the 4 trucks were handed over to DFC Imphal and appropriate measures are being undertaken on the same. Member of Uyumpog and Pukhao Gram Panchayat have clarified that the statement made by Pradhan of Uyumpog Gram Panchayat, Thangjam Inaucha, regarding the Imphal East District Hospital that there are no land-related issues is exclusively his own and that they have no idea on the matter. Speaking to media persons on behalf of the ward members of Uyumpog Gram Panchayat's ward number 6, 1 and 9 and Pukhao Gram Panchayat 1 and 4 at Manipur Press Club today, member of Uyumpog Gram Panchayat Ward number 1, Ongnam Bashanta, stated that the Pradhan and Zilla Parishad are in favor of constructing the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang. However, they have no idea if there is any land-related controversy or not.
Lamgi chayatnaba labor laitaba aikoida knowledge amata leite adabu lamgi senaba laibiramba taragasu lamgi patadar singna hairiba lamding adu sarkarga yasanabam poraga loichalaga yamna athuba matamda sagomang de laiba district hospital sagni hane tor mafam aji suksoi soijan sabi haibasi media ge thongda pentawjari.
Meanwhile, representatives of Committee on United Club Kundrakpam and Saikul constituency against unjustified shifting of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang stated that Chief Minister Nongthumbam Birin has assured that a vigilance team will be put to service to find out if there is land controversy regarding the construction of Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, co-convener of the committee, Ahaibam Brojendro, appeals to the people of Kundrakpam constituency to support any steps undertaken by the committee in this regard. He stated that members of the committee convened a meeting with the Chief Minister today. Brojendro said the committee drew the attention of the Chief Minister to construct the district hospital at Sagolmang itself and to resolve issue at the earliest during the meeting. The convener maintains that the newly formed committee is a neutral body and has no political affiliation to any party. He appeals for cooperation from people of Kundrakpam constituency.
Lamgi se naba lai laite adegi nama untong sin tawi tawdi haibi matang sida khoi honorable CM na khoi da thambirakpada yamathuna khoi vigilance da thadaraga khoi case ma FIR tawraga asumaran thidupugi wafam phongdok pirei huji lairiba Kundrakpam kendra gi charang naba nena ta daba phibam sidasu honorable CM na nungnangba phongdok pirei committee sina khoina misang mikhai naidana amada khoi tungsanna yam neutral loina khoi changjal laga huji lairiba problem asi khoi karigumba tangkak amada puraknaba khoi kanna hona jabani.
Students today protested in demand for befitting punishment for the rape accused the BJP MLA of Segmai constituency and for all those involved in the Thanga rape case. Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM and Rotarian Feminist Movement Manipur POFM, along with students of Imphal Valley Academy, Airport Road and International Modernized Academy IMA Palace Compound, took out various protests today. The student protesters chanted slogans demanding punishment for perpetrators of atrocities toward women. Taking part in the protest, co-convener of SSUM S. Yaima condemned Segmai MLA allegedly for degrading morale of a woman despite being a public leader. Yaima further alleged of political involvement in the incidents. He asserted that such crimes against women will increase day by day until and unless befitting punishments are awarded to perpetrators of such crimes.
Rape case ta chenare hairiba miyoi singsi hojik phawa phada bagi maram si karigino khara makhaina pharaga hojik phawa amana phada bagi maram si masi ta sengna hairita haita ragadi political issue changbana maram morakanda hairiba equise si phaba ngamdabani haibage ekhina chapchaba thajaba ma leijare hojik paliba laingak sigi khud yaurabra haibase yamna chingnaba ma leijare aduna mayam gi chingnaba asi kokna nabagi damakta ngasi gi paliba sarkar asina Mara Lay Hariba Musing as he could have Haduna, Matik Sabad and DPU.
Lamjingba Management Services Private Limited organized an award distribution and awareness program on women empowerment and upliftment of the society in rural area at Renkai Auditorium in Chorachandpur today. Speaking in connection with the event, Chairman of Lamjingba Groups, Jackie Mangang, told media persons that the event was held as an encouragement to 900 women employees out of the total 1,000 employees at Salai Marts of Lamjingba Groups. SP Churachandpur IPS Deepa Balwal was the chief guest of the event, where cash awards were also distributed to successful women of Churachandpur in various fields.
Koi company gi oiba sector ma oriba sangai mart sigita thabak tawriba mi lising amagi chang da leiriba employment sida nearly koi mi chamapan mukti nupi ngakta na tawbane ado nupi ngakta tawbasi da koi Chuchampur side gi nearly 200 kumba oi auda koi na hambo ina women sing asibu ai di pungning thogat pibo oina amadi koi na moi asibu haidi makha tabada kai kai mateng pangba yagadage haibagi service gi matangda koina hariba program asi pangthokjabani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Myanmar chapter, a tour to Myanmar for entrepreneurs and aspiring businessmen. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry MCCI is organizing a tour to various places in Myanmar on June 12 for entrepreneurs and aspiring businessmen with an aim to promote business transactions with Myanmar, Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. Addressing media persons in Hotel Classic Grand today, General Secretary of MCCI, Jotin Thokchom, stated that MCCI is organizing the trip entitled Myanmar Chapter in collaboration with Mandalay Region Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He stated that there are many inconveniences faced while transacting business with an unknown place. Jotin said that the 10-day trip is being organized to expose the entrepreneurs and businessmen of the state to various places in Myanmar to do away such inconveniences, and further hoped that the trip will be a great help to them. He also mentioned that the tour will cover industry parks in Myanmar, Mandalay Palace, Mandalay Hills, Sagaing, Ava, Amrapur, PNO Lin, Mount Papa, Bagan, Inle, Lakim, Takingi, etc. The General Secretary of MCCI invited any interested entrepreneurs and businessmen to contact MCCI for the same. Stating that there is information about the inaugural of the integrated checkpost at Moreh soon, Jotin urged the entrepreneurs, businessmen and people in the state to seize the opportunity. MCCI's official website www.m-cci.org was also launched at the press meet.
I sungkang gang the ba la mama the sanga business of wise talkte. Maramadana ko han aware of changi, exposure masangi, other Manipur Praja Miams ju high bapochi that Sangjal laga, Karam Garama sector the Karam Garama area the koi business to we are the export with Dorsu, manufacturing with Dorsu, import with Dorsu, Harry Baposing Jakoi. Satlaga Udragati, I wish to show you Chamam ma confused or any. As you see, it's a very big opportunity. Other high posting J, other the Urdu is several B2B meeting Dorkani, which the gateway of Southeast Asia, Ivanina, a queen over roll of him to it. Maruina, Haidiba, a quick tours the businessmen, ma'am, so Yobiraga, Kudung Jav, the Lobio, Luina Manipur Chamber, Commerce and Jopangviaba, export key, import key, trading house, Kamaitoni, Adugi procedure, ma'am, to Zo, quick at Anaraga.
Public Health Engineering Department Contractors Association Manipur planted 3 saplings at Ibudao Marjing Laifam in Hengang Hilok with an aim to combat environmental deterioration brought on by deforestation today. Taking part in the event, Additional Chief Engineer of Public Health Engineering Department L. Swamikanta highlighted felling of trees in the name of Jhum cultivation in the hilly areas as the major reason behind deforestation in Manipur. He maintains that in the name of Jhum cultivation, people cut massive amount of trees to produce charcoals, which ultimately is responsible for bringing ecological imbalance. Swamikanta also called for the need to look after the tree saplings planted to ensure that the saplings grow into trees. On the other hand, the Additional Chief Engineer of PHED also highlighted the need for various departments in the state to have proper long-term planning before undertaking any welfare projects to have long-term benefits. He asserted that there are no real plans other than time-to-time adopted plans undertaken by the departments. Senior engineers of PHED also attended the event.
Zoom mufam dia ibani. Tam internet place hakani zoom tawisi. Maram da koi siang jamarang kaina phangwa haibani debisi. Aduna moisu tambang lo ubase noina zoom tawraga lo ubase akoin sumsin da panga haibani sumain angam basam sida zoom tawra lo ubase yam arai ba thabak mate u mayam katat pasini in the name of the zoom ko ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯏꯇꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯎꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯃꯔꯨꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯥꯟ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯖꯔ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ.
MLA Khurai constituency L. Sushindro inaugurated a community hall constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund at Kongpal Kongkha Makhalekai today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Sushindro asserted that the cooperation of people is important for development of any constituency. He said that lack of proper drainage system in the constituency is the main factor of frequent flood condition for the past 6 to 7 years. The MLA urged for people's cooperation in the measures undertaken to prevent floods in the state and appeals to the people for help in this regard.
Khurai Kendrigi Lady Praja Chinausingi Mapamda Aina appeal to Zinings Maruina, who is Lambi Panamna Pahan Yaragazu, Ishing Tumba Lambina Kaitong with the power Yaro. Drainaging Pahan Bada. Yana but the Darkale, drainage in Japan, no one Ishana Kanga in crossed over Lamje, Suyam Henzele and a Kangi Brakwe Praja Jinsina, the Mayami development in a Kalaganda, Karagado is Tado Piraganda, who no Kitang Tabia, they must ishing chow, forgive problems, how give us a hitari nipam among the Laga later, see problems. Aduna Masi Mayam, Japano, the Praja in Madumba, drainage in Chalapon, the Yamacho Corporation, Pianing, Maduda Koye, Acho Wachakot Palamitonga, Pavachilakani.
Kuga Battalion, under the aegis of Churachandpur Sector Assam Rifles, organized an ex-serviceman rally at District Training Center at Toibung in Churachandpur District. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Hankalian and DC of Churachandpur District Shamlal Punia IS flagged off the rally. 1,200 ex-servicemen, including 8 disabled soldiers, 15 war widows, 9 Veer Naris attended the event. The rally was organized with an aim to address the grievances facing the ex-servicemen in the state. Block Program Management Unit PHC Moray has started enrollment and distribution of cards for Chief Minister Gi Hakshil Gi Tengbang scheme at PHC Moray today. The enrollment and distribution of beneficiary cards was carried out under the supervision of Medical Officer in Charge, Dr. K.H. Shantikumar, since 7 this morning. Speaking to media persons, Dr. Shantikumar stated that they set a target to distribute the cards to at least 200 beneficiaries on the first day. He also stated that the beneficiary cards for the widows will be distributed at the Go to Village camp to be conducted on May 15 at Gamnong Vang village in Moray. Large number of people of the area attended the event.
Chief Minister Hakshil Gi Tengbang gi mari lenana ngasi yuktagi PC Moray asida enrollment kan chathari enrollment chathabgal lenana kash ngasi de hon issue to go hore ngasi gi hoji phawda ngasai pungte ti chatharapa enrollment amdi card issue to gi thabak se ngasi gi evening phawda ikoi choi bida mi chahum di enrollment to go lenana card issue to gi thabak se mapung phana chathabang nguni haiba thajab leiri marak sita ikuna lukha bi haiba jar asima Lukhabi group sima kati issue to the card same the Lushile, I Lukhabi Kalasina, go to village 15 the Gamnum the Pangtok program to Pandam.
Rup Mahal Theatre, in collaboration with RIMS Cardiology Department and Rheumatology Department, RIMS conducted a free health camp exclusively for Rup Mahal Theatre artists today. Such camps for artists in various parts of the state will also be held in the future. Altogether, 100 artists were checked up at the camp. As observed across various places in the world, People for Animals Manipur also observed World Migratory Birds Day today. People for Animals Manipur also launched a 2-day awareness program to mark the day in collaboration with Loktak Development Authority under the Forest Department. The awareness program discouraged fishing at Loktak Lake using LED lights in the evening and called for conserving the tiny fishes in the lake which the migratory birds feed on. Apart from the publicity campaign held today, a poster campaign on the same issue will be held tomorrow. Officials and staff of the Forest Department, LDA and Bishnupur Police attended the event. Now the sports news. Trao FC will lock horns with Shillong's football club Langsning in the final match of the first round of the ongoing 2nd Division I League at Kumanlampag Main Stadium tomorrow. Speaking to media persons at a press meet at Kumanlampag Main Stadium ahead of tomorrow's match, assistant coach of Langsning, Dapnon Tiring, said his team will give their best to win the match as the win will adjust them in the second position under Group C matches. Assistant manager of Trao FC, El Ibomcha, expressed happiness that the team stands first in the Group C matches of the league and that they will continue to strive to win. He further appeals the people to support the home team by witnessing the match.
We preparing for a good match and we are looking a good match. We try to win also for the match. Yeah, we are right now means we have decided that we will try to win the match, then we'll see. We have one foreign player. Some of them injury, but we are looking for a good match tomorrow. This year we are coming for the first time. Some of the players and most of the players, they have come here many times here.
Hayeng simadi khoi madudoi hena khoi sangene na khoi satawi matungdal khoi se group C gi kanu oiragadi winner oiragadi khoi final san bigi khoi preparation chu full preparation khoi tawdan dei ado hayeng simadi nomajing chu oibanina media gi through the chu khoi haijaningi hayem simadi khoi full support tawbi boina gallery si chu khoi free da hajarabani mayam yam full loin lakpiu yam hall ga sikano ga si stadium si pura full pack oin toroga khoi pung thagot pi boina.
Thangmaiban Athletic Union Thao, under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association, has launched AMFA grassroots course at the Thao ground today. Altogether, 62 candidates from various parts of Manipur, including 52 boys and 10 girls from 6 to 14 years are participating. Vice President of Thao and Buddha Chandra, Secretary of Thao T.H. Shyam Chandra, and members of the union distributed uniforms to the students as part of the launching event. Grassroots leaders T.H. Nauton and S.H. Naucha are the coaches at the course. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of Thao and Buddha Chandra expressed hope that the training course organized under the aegis of All India Football Federation will help in generating young and talented football players from the state.
Makoi football gi development makoi gi sakhon nabagi damakta makoi da haithoi singthoi na ba adu sugumba sigi damakta course nung amphana tharaga sidai da sinmani makoi gi talent makoi gi hai singba singdo adu mayam che tawraga sidagi atu phajana sanaraga di atopa any company tata gi da khangdi amagi da khangdi adu Sangi yana be makoi CC gi talent che lainaba gi apoi si grassroots sidagi apoi na sempa chapani anga.
UTA unit is leading the medal tally of the ongoing 14th Governors Taekwondo Cup. In the events played at Kumalampa Indoor Stadium today, UTS is launching back to goal in the senior boys under 58 kg as Bikramjit clinched the goal in senior boys under 80 kg, while in the sub-junior boys category, El Rohit of HTA backed goal in under 21 kg, RK Lyokanta of PTA backed goal in under 25 kg, and A. Prithviraj of UTA backed gold medal in under 29 kg. In the sub-junior girls category, T.H. Toy B of HTA and T.H. Jayashi of NSA backed gold medals in under 22 kg and under 26 kg respectively. L. Melody of UTA and L. Pradeep of Sai RC backed gold medals in the cadet girls under 33 kg and cadet boys under 37 kg respectively. Altogether, 401 players including 267 boys and 134 girls from 15 units are taking part in the tournament organized under the aegis of All Manipur Taekwondo Association. Remaining events of the tournament will be played tomorrow. In the women's singles of the 10th Mutum Tomba and Mutum Shankar Memorial Veteran Table Tennis Championship played today at DM College Indoor Stadium, S. Ashalata beat C.H. Raj Lakshmi 11-4, 11-9, 11-3, while N. Sushila defeated P. Hemolata 11-4, 11-1, 11-5. In the first semi-final match of above 65 men's singles, H. Rajendra beat K. Kumar 6-11, 12-10, 14-12, 14-12. While in the second semi-final match, G. Prafulla beat N.G. Brajakumar 11-5, 13-11, 11-2. In the first semi-final match of above 50 men's singles, S. Chandra beat M. Noren 11-2, 11-5, 13-11. While in the second semi-final match, C.H. Lokendra beat C.H. Radhakrishna 11-6, 11-8, 12-10. Altogether, 36 men and 12 women are taking part in the championship organized by Manipur Veteran Table Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Table Tennis Association. Subsequent matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Kanglei Chess Academy, in a press release, has notified that the 17th Under-15 Open Saturday and Sunday Rapid Chess Tournament 2018 will be held on May 19 and 20. The Academy also informed that the details of the tournament can be obtained from its office at Singjamei Chingamathak Chongtham Lekai, and that the last date of form submission is May 18 till 4 p.m. MLA Wangoi and Chairman of Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency MIDA, Olukhoi, launched the third state-level Shito Open Karate Do Championship at Wangoi Bazar Community Hall today. Speaking on the inaugural event of the championship organized by Shobukai Shito Ru Karate Do Association under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association, Maka, Olukhoi maintains that the sports university to be established in the state is the prize earned by the sports persons who had brought laurels to the state through their achievements at the national and international platforms. Pointing out the lack of educational qualifications among the sports persons of the state, Olukhoi maintains that their achievements can be better utilized if they have a good educational background. Chairperson of Wangoi Municipal Council, L. Babita Lema, General Secretary of RC Karate Association of India, Altaf Alam, Vice President of Karate Association of India, Kiran Kumar Thangjam, and Vice President cum Technical Director of Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association, Y. Chauba Meitei, attended the event. Altogether, 250 players from various regions of the state are taking part in the tournament. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing International Nurses Day in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Deputy Chief Minister appeals for joint effort from all to solve the issues of the state and not to wait for outside intervention. Karam Sham says MLAs and ministers must lead the society as sincerely as drivers behind the wheels. And Centre appoints Justice Ramlingam Sudhakar from High Court of Jammu and Kashmir as Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur.